Kelpieone here on Stainedglasscuts. In this video, I'm going to show you some really cool suncatcher designs based on patterns derived from a simple pentagon. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 equal sides. All the patterns that I'm going to show you will be based on this pentagon, which is 3/4 of an inch on each side, and its associated star. So let's go. Here are 10 pentagons. If you place them edge to edge, you can create a circle, or a wreath if you will. The area they define in the middle is called a decagon. It's a polygon with 10 sides. You can fill this space by cutting a decagon, as I've done here. Or, if when cutting a pentagon, you only make 4 cuts and extend the lines on 2 sides, you'll end up with this shape. If you have 10 of these, they fill the space in the middle. Or make a nice pinwheel. But in this case, we have a hole in the middle again. However, if we cut out 2 stars, also known as pentagrams, still based on the same size pentagon, we can take all the points and create a decagon. A nice little pattern in its own right. And, coincidentally, it fills the middle of the pinwheel. But wait, if we take the decagon from earlier, we can take the points, add them to the outside, to make a cool star. In that case, an exploding star. The truly magic pentagon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Cheers!